tension flexible flats from Labella. The low tension strings make it easy to fret notes with your pinky, and it also has less tension on your neck. Flat wound strings tend to be a lot quieter if you're sliding your hand up and down the neck. Rotosound 77 mono flat wound bass guitar strings. These strings are silky smooth like all flat wound strings. They don't make a lot of noise when you're sliding your fingers up and down the neck. The notes sound really nice and clean when you're playing. The strings don't bounce around on the neck because the tension is good and stiff, so you don't get fret buzz when you're playing. The Rotosound RS77 LD Jazz Bass flat wound strings in 45 to 105 are a tight tension string. The tension on these strings is tighter than most 45-105 strings. The good thing about this is if you do a lot of heavy plucking or using a pick, they don't flop against the frets. I'm using a 3mm space between the bottom of the string and the fret. For the round wound section of this video, I'm using the Ernie Ball Hybrid Slinkies. Round wound strings make more noise when you're sliding your fingers up and down the fretboard. So when you're playing notes and you have to move your hand back and forth, you're going to get more squeak than with a flat wound. The strings feel really nice. They feel in between the Labella low tension and the Rotosound 77 as far as tension goes. There's no frets flap or anything when you're playing.